Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling precise location on your device and granting the app permission to access it while you use it. Once done, sign in or create an account so your tags sync. Next, choose the map provider, satellite for landmarks, street for addresses, and set the sampling interval and an accuracy threshold like 5 to 10 meters. Then start a new geotag session. This records movement and readies the app to attach coordinates to photos and notes immediately. You now capture or import photos and verify each image displays a location pin. If you shoot an app, the app writes coordinates automatically. If you import, use the GPS log to auto-match timestamps and locations. Once matched, edit metadata, refine coordinates, fix timestamps that drifted, and add descriptive tags or category labels so searches work later. For many files, use batch apply to speed the job, and preview edits on the map to ensure pins land in the right place before moving to sync or export. You finish by reviewing every geotag on the map and exporting your dataset to the format you need, like KML, GPX, or CSV. Once exported, sync to cloud storage and keep a local backup on external media. Share links or files with collaborators as required. If something goes wrong, try this troubleshooting tip. Resync the GPS log, switch to high accuracy mode, and then manually correct any misplaced coordinates. This resolves most mismatches between photos and recorded positions quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.